Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. My name is Yaya Siti Mortasia, and today I am truly honored to present K Insight from the study titled Islamic Education in the Context of Globalization, Facing the Challenge Facing the challenges of secularism and materialism. This presentation explore. This presentation explores how Islamic education responds to the rapid changes brought by globalizations and how we as educators, students, and members of the Muslim community can strengthen our educational systems so they remain relevant and spiritually grounded. Let us begin. Oke, tugas modul 12 mata kuliah Pendidikan Literatur Bahasa Inggris by Yaya Siti Murtasia. Oke, key points of critical analysis. Globalization exposes Muslim youth to conflicting global values. And then secularism shifts education from spiritual goals to materials aims. Materialism promotes consumerism, consumerism and worldly success. Islamic education struggles with limited resources and outdated methods. Technology creates both opportunities and threats to Islamic values. Okay, and main arguments. One, Islamic education must integrate spiritual Islamic values with modern sciences and balancing modernization and tradition is essential for relevance. Okay, next. Findings. Secularism and materialism influence educational orientation. Identity challenges arise among Muslim youth, and Islamic education lack innovation in curriculum and pedagogy. Integration of Islamic values with modern knowledge is crucial. Islamic based character education strengthens moral resilience. Technology should support, not undermine Islamic values. Okay, next. Implications for curriculum. Adaptive and integrative curriculum models combine Islamic teachings with modern scientific disciplines, presents Islam and modern knowledge as complementary. And next, implications for spiritual and moral development. Priorities, character formation, and Islamic ethic. Integrate Islamic values across all subjects. Strengthen spiritual consciousness in learning. Okay. Next implication for teachings methods. Use creative, interactive, and technology-based pedagogies. Ensure digital tools reinforce Islamic values and engage digital native learners effectively. And institutional reform. Upgrade teachers, competencies, and facilities. Modernize management and learning environments. Collaborate globally while preserving Islamic identity. Okay, next, reframing success in education. Balance material achievement with spiritual growth. Divine success through knowledge, ethics, and contribution to society. Promote holistic development of students. Okay. Islamic education in the era of globalization, facing secularism and materialism by Aib Saifuddin, Universitas Islam Bandung. Okay, main arguments, background, globalization impact on education and social values. Main challenges Main challenges for Islamic education, secularism, and materialism. Critical analysis. Islamic education must be adaptive but rooted in Islamic values. Race, youth, losing spiritual identity due to dominance of worldly values. Islamic education must foster spiritual intelligence and moral resilience. Curriculum should integrate religious knowledge with 21st century skills. Implications for Islamic education. Adaptive curriculum balancing religion and modern knowledge. Islamic education should produce character, full, competent, and ethical generation. Collaboration between educators, parents, and community essentials to counter. To conclude, globalization presents both opportunities and challenges for Islamic education. While the world becomes more interconnected and technology accelerates learning, the forces of secularism and materialism increasingly influence young Muslim identity and values. Therefore, Islamic education must preserve its spiritual foundation while adapting to modern sciences, innovative teaching methods, and global competition. The key message is clear. Islamic education will stay relevant only when it balances tradition and modernity to strong character education, adaptive curricular, and value-based innovative. We can prepare a generation that is globally competitive yet spiritual grounded. Thank you very much for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time. Goodbye.